Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. And I know I haven't made a video in like so long. And so I'm gonna make it up to you. And today we are going to be playing with some slime. And there's some more batches over there. So let's start with the first one. And the last and final one that we have is green. Okay, so I'm going to take the first one that we opened after I wash. Okay, I'm back. So I have washed my hands. So I'm going to take this out. So, this is my big brother slime. Maybe you all know him as Boy. He is not actually the oldest, he's my sister. Okay, so here's the next one. I think it's mine. Slime. Yeah, it's mine. So here's my slime. Y'all know me because you watch this YouTube channel, so I don't have to introduce myself and all that stuff. Here's the next batch, which is fat slime. It is very breakable. 1990 just said die, fat boy. And it was on the TV. Yeah, his is very breakable. Hey, what's wrong with your slime? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, well, we're gonna pass. I'm doing the last and final one. Stop it. You can make it so that's nice. Anissa's slime. Mine. Yeah, because Anissa gave it to me. So yeah, here's my cousin's. She has hers at home. She gave this part to me. Can you get that? Yep. One thing fell. right there. I need it right now. And that is all. So you're gonna see both of us in a minute. In a minute, yes. Play with the slime. So my slime actually opened. Wait, that's my slime. This is boys. Okay. So, wow. Now that you see everything is cleared away, like this. Everything is cleared away, so next time. I'm actually going with a boy slime because it's actually the best one I've ever I have sent through all of these slimes. And so I just wanted to say that I'm gonna use it. Mine's very sticky. And so I'm Gina Garcia's. Tell me which slime you liked the best. This slime, stop it. Boys, Fat Boys, the green slime, or my slime. Yeah. Comment down below. If you think the green slime, just put green slime. Or if you want to put it in order, like number 1, boys, number 2, mine, number 3, green, number last, Fat Boy. And just do it in your own order. Just do whatever you want. Just leave a comment if you like ours, or mine, or theirs, whatever. Vote for me. Vote for mine. Why? It's very breakable. Okay, Jake. This is supposed to be the quiet moment now. Oh yeah, look at my slime bounce. Look at my slime bounce. Wait, let me make it light. Mine has. How do you do that? Make a bubble. Blow a bubble. I'm going to put it very secret. Stop it, you're putting your arm all in the camera. Oh, my beautiful thing. Oh. Stay. This is supposed to be bad. But we're thinking. So now, in our next video, we're going to be doing slime, right? But we're going to do a little experiment. More. Did you taste it? No. Okay, I think this is going to be the end of our video right now. And so I'm going to title it and all that stuff. Write a description, title it, and then watch the video. See if I want to upload it. But yeah, then our next video, we will be doing an experiment. experiments right after we do all those watch it. Shh. Right after we do all of this, like after we do all of this that we just said. So leave a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on so you can see more funny, more creative, more funny, more vlogs, more creative, more other stuff. Make sure you watch my videos in your life. Goodbye to me. Bye.